Hello everyone, welcome back. And in this section, we are going to just update our Streamlit app with our sentence transformers code. So previously we have seen how we have included TF-IDF. Now let's add sentence transformers. So for example, you can scroll through movies again and click on get similar movie plots, and among all the 3500 plus movie plots that we have, we are going to get similar movie plots. Now the beauty is that we are doing with sentence transformers, that is dense embeddings, as opposed to TF-IDF, the sparse embeddings. And also these sentence transformers capture semantic similarity, so hopefully these are of much higher quality. We are going to see the same thing in code. So first, as I mentioned previously, instead of doing sentence transformer calculation and computing those embeddings on the fly every time, which will take a little bit of time, we are pre-computing those embeddings and storing it in CSV. So to the same file, the Colab notebook that we have seen previously, I added this code where we have the sentence transformers library installed, and again we have our movie plots, and we are just getting our movie plots in a list. That is all the movie plots that we have, 3379, and converting them into embeddings using this sentence transformer model. And once the embeddings are done, I'm just appending that into a data frame. So to the same movie plot data frame that we have, which has movie name, Wikipedia link and plot, I'm appending a full embeddings, that is the 380 dimensional embeddings to each row, and I'm just saving it into this American movie plots v1 underscore embeddings.csv, and that's all this is. Essentially we are just saving all the pre-computed embeddings in this file. Now let's go back to our previous code of moviepro.ai, which is our Streamlit code that we have, and underneath pages I just created a new page, sentence underscore transformers.py, and I added this code. We are going to go through this code, but it's nothing complex, just like our TF-IDF code. I just copy pasted similar code to sentence transformers.py, and there is no change to requirements.txt, so we are directly just adding a new page of sentence transformers.py and adding our code there. And remember that in TF-IDF we have keyword extraction as well as similarity. Right now I'm not doing keyword extraction simply because in order to directly use sentence transformers, you need to install sentence transformers library here. Just it will bloat up our Streamlit moviepro.ai app. Since we are deploying it on Streamlit Cloud, it will just bloat up everything, and it might hit the limit since it will install PyTorch, transformers library and sentence transformers. Everything might get heavy. That's the simple reason, but simply you can run it on your local system as well, where you can install sentence transformers library, and you can also add keyword extraction and other things. So if you have enough compute, you can just do that. For simplicity, I'm not doing that. I'm just keeping just similarity of documents, because all we need to store is embeddings for that. And let's go through this code. So the code is nothing new, it's something that we have already seen previously, and I've added another CSV file that we just created, which is underscore embeddings.csv, where the last column, that is the full embeddings column, has all the embeddings of each movie plot with the sentence transformers. So here again we are loading our data and returning this data frame, which is this complete data frame with embeddings. And this code that you see here, get similar movie plots, we are just passing two parameters, that is what's the current index. Current index means this page number that you are in, that corresponds to the current movie plot index, and n is how many similar movie plots do you want to retrieve. That's all this is. And this is the code that we have already seen previously, which is we take cosine similarity of current document embedding, which is the current index. For example, if you are on 64 index, that corresponds to, let's say, Batman Begins. So you get the Batman Begins embedding here, and you have all the movie plot embeddings here, and we just get the similarity and sort them in reverse order. And once you sort them in reverse order, you will chop off at, let's say, top 6, etc. And you just extract the corresponding movie name, plot, and Wikipedia link for each of those top 6, and you just append them and return those things. When you click on get similar movie plots, that's what you get: top 6 movie names, top 6 movie plots, and their corresponding links, and you just show them. So the code is nothing complex. We have already seen this in TF-IDF, the base framework. Only thing is that we replaced this function with whatever we have already seen it in code in our Colab notebook, that is to get similar movie plots. And once you make these changes, just commit to GitHub, either using GitHub desktop or using command line. Just commit the new changes, which is adding this new CSV and adding this sentence transformers.py. And if you go to Streamlit Cloud, you should be able to see our new changes come to life. So simply you click on sentence transformers here, and let's scroll through Batman Begins. So Batman Begins is at page 61. Now let's come to the bottom and click on get similar movie plots. And for sanity's sake, we are comparing across all the movie plots, so Batman Begins should come again as the first one. Then we have Dark Knight, then we have the Lego Batman movie, then we have Batman vs Dracula, and Batman the Killing Joke, Birds of Prey. Awesome. So we got everything that we need. So pretty much this is what we wanted to add to our MoviePro.ai app. So instead of TF-IDF, now we have sentence transformers, which is advanced version of TF-IDF with dense vector embeddings. And if you want, you can go ahead and add get keywords just like TF-IDF, and just add the relevant things in relevant imports in requirements.txt, and you can change the code to add another function for get keywords. That's all. Now we have updated our app of MoviePro.ai Streamlit app with sentence transformer similarity as well. Thanks for watching.